South Korea is facing growing pressure from an unstable supply of naphtha, a key material used to produce certain types of plastic. Now that's putting the spotlight on pyrolysis oil. Our Suh-young reports.
Here, waste plastic is fed into a pyrolysis reactor. Pyrolysis is a process that breaks down plastic waste into oil using heat without oxygen. The waste is heated to around 400 degrees Celsius for more than 12 hours. Once heated, the plastic breaks down into gas. The gas is then cooled and condensed into pyrolysis oil. After further refining, that oil can be converted into naphtha, the raw material used to make new plastics. The process is known as chemical recycling because it converts plastic waste back into petroleum-based feedstocks from which it was originally made.
Pyrolysis can serve as an alternative technology for producing oil from waste. You can think of it as tapping an urban oil field hidden in trash.
The technology is gaining attention because it can process contaminated plastic waste that is difficult to recycle mechanically. It generates fewer carbon emissions than simply incinerating the waste. Once the refined material is turned back into naphtha, it can be used again to manufacture plastic products, enabling closed-loop recycling. But despite those advantages, the industry remains in its early stages. Last year, South Korea's pyrolysis oil producers generated a combined 47,000 tons. Output has been rising steadily, but that amount is still equivalent to only about 3 days of domestic naphtha supply. For pyrolysis to serve as a safeguard against supply disruptions, experts say the government needs to move quickly to support the industry.
Turning waste plastic back into naphtha can strengthen a circular economy. That is why some government incentive is necessary.
One of the biggest challenges in expanding pyrolysis is securing enough usable plastic waste. But if a stable supply can be secured, the technology could play a much bigger role in the future. Suh-young, 아리랑뉴스.